Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Alright, been watching everybody do these taste tests. We got two same glasses. Modelo. We're gonna try Busch Light. I think it's 4.1. Yeah, 4.1 alcohol by volume. St. Louis, Missouri. June 12th, 18, I think. Fresh before. And how's the Busch product? Alright, we got Natural Light. I'm sure we're all in the video here. We got Natural Light is 4.2, I think. Let's see, yeah, 4.2 alcohol by volume. Ingredients: water, barley malt, cereal grains, hop, yeast. 1 pint. Alright, it don't tell what's in this one. It's probably pretty much the same. So I had them in the freezer. Had the glasses in the freezer. Both of them are 16 ounces. Bought both of them at the same time. Put both of them in the freezer at the same time. So give them a pour. They both have a 1 finger head. Huh. You know what I forgot to do? Put something on the bottom of what they are. I plumb forgot about it, folks. Come on now, I know I got some Scotch tape right here. Come on. Come on, man. Ah, there it is. There it is. We found it, folks. Could have been done with the video by now, couldn't we? Okay. The one with the sticker on the bottom. Ooh. The one with the little piece of paper on the bottom will be the Natural Light. Okay, they're both equal in the color. Both smell the same. So let's close our eyes and switch them around here and see if we can figure out which is which. Okay, folks, this one has a yeasty, bready, watery smell. This one has a more of a watery, lighter smell to it. Cheers, YouTube. Let's give her a taste. Watery taste. This one has more of a watery taste. I mean, you not more of a water. You get a little bit more out of it. I'm going to go ahead and tell you this is the natural light because the paper kept sticking to the table, and when I picked, I ain't going to cheat. When I kept picking it up, you could feel the paper sticking to the table, and it was harder to pick up than the one without anything on the bottom. So I ain't gonna lie about it. But since we're doing it, we might as well see which one I like better. Natural light's good, carbonated. Just watery. But it's not a bad beer. Good after, after work on. You get home. They're so close in taste, but the Busch Light just has just a little bit more of a taste to it. Get a little taste of a hop in the Busch Light. good carbonation. The difference in the 1% alcohol, you can't tell. I would drink either one of them on a hot day outside after cutting the grass after a hard day's work. I would drink one of them, but if I had to choose the winner, it'd be the Busch Light. So cheers, YouTube. Have a good one. Happy Easter. Don't hide all your eggs in one basket. Cheers, YouTube. Have a good one.